What's up, everybody? This is your boy Tech G back with another video to help you successfully pass the CompTIA 220-1001 examination. So let's get into it. In this video, you will learn about configuring appropriate components for a custom PC configuration to meet customer specifications or needs. Now, understand we are not about to get super detailed into exactly which components, which maker of what brand of components that you might want to go out there and consider purchasing. I'm just going to give you a general overview of the basic components that you will need in order to build certain types of systems. All right. So the first one we want to talk about is a graphics CAD CAM design workstation. So to get the most out of a graphics CAD or CAM, which stands for computer aided drafting or computer aided manufacturing design workstation, here are some of the general recommendations for creating a high performance system. You're going to need an SSD with a multi-core processor that's going to allow for high speed storage. You're going to need high end video in order to process complex graphics, and you're going to need maximum RAM in order to have significant memory usage. Let's talk about audio video editing workstation. So to get the most out of an audio video editing workstation, here's some of the general recommendations for creating a high performance system. You're going to want specialized audio and video cards so that you can have high quality audio and video. You're going to want a large, fast hard drive that can provide constant disk writes, preferably get an SSD. You're going to want to have dual monitors so that you can edit in one monitor and view the output in another. And then you're going to also want to have maximum RAM for significant memory usage. Let's talk about virtualization workstation. So to get the most out of a virtualized workstation, here are some of the general recommendations. Maximum RAM, once again, for significant memory usage. You're going to want maximum CPU cores that can provide constant processing, a need for an efficient CPU, and multiple cores. Let's talk about a gaming PC. So to get the most out of a gaming PC, here are some of the general recommendations. Once again, an SSD with the multi-core processing for high-speed storage, high-end video, specialized GPU that can handle complex graphics, high-performance maximum frame rates, a high-definition sound card, a 5.1 or 7.1 surround audio for realistic, high-performance 3D audio rendering, and a high-end cooling system that can provide for high utilization of hours of play to keep the system cool. And then finally, let's talk about a network attached storage device. So to get the most out of the network attached storage, here are some of the general recommendations. You want an SSD with a multi-core processor for high speed storage. You want this thing to support media streaming, and you want it in a centralized location. You want it to have file sharing for easy access, a RAID array that supports redundant hard drives. And then you want it to also have a gigabit NIC or a network interface card that will allow for high speed transfers. All right, I know I normally do a check on learning, but this video presentation was rather short, so we're just jumping straight to the summary. So in summary, we have talked about just the basic general configurations of PC components that can meet customer specifications or needs when you're out there trying to build custom PCs. Like I said, the purpose of this video was not to go into detail about exactly which brand and make and which specific components that you will want to incorporate into a PC build, because we can literally be here for hours arguing about which component, which brand is better than the other components in the other brands. This was just a general bird's eye overview of the type of stuff that you might want to consider if you are building custom PCs. All right. Now, if you felt like you have gotten something valuable out of this information, go ahead and hit the like button, the share button, drop a comment, but most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Also, go visit my website, Technology G, so that you can get read up on the latest and greatest to help you successfully pass the CompTIA 220-1001 examination. And until next video, ladies and gentlemen, peace.